All right, so HighLevel just dropped an update that fixes their biggest problem with SEO tracking, and if you have a WordPress site, this is huge for you. I'm talking about something that's been driving agency owners crazy for months. The SEO pixel script that wouldn't install on WordPress sites is now completely fixed, and I'm going to show you exactly how this changes everything. This isn't some small tweak either. This is a complete game changer for anyone trying to get more traffic from Google without hiring an expensive SEO agency. Hey there, so if you haven't already noticed, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And listen, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. So here's what was happening before this update dropped in October 2025. HighLevel has this cool SEO pixel script that's supposed to track your website and help you fix SEO problems automatically with AI. Sounds great, right? Here's the issue. If you tried to install this thing on a WordPress site, it would just fail, like completely fail. WordPress would block the script because of how it was coded, and you'd get this annoying error message saying the pixel didn't install. So all these agency owners were stuck only being able to use the SEO features on websites they built inside HighLevel. But here's the thing. Most businesses already have websites. They're not going to rebuild their entire WordPress site just to use HighLevel's SEO tools. That's like asking someone to buy a new car because the gas cap on their current car is the wrong size. It makes no sense. So HighLevel finally listened, and they completely rewrote how the SEO pixel script works. The old version used something called base64 encoding, which is basically a way to format code. The problem is WordPress and a bunch of other website builders saw this format and went, nope, that looks suspicious, we're blocking it. So HighLevel changed the whole thing. Now the pixel script is written in a way that WordPress and other platforms don't freak out about. It just installs. No errors, no security blocks. It actually works. And this isn't just for WordPress either. This works on Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, pretty much any website platform you can think of. Let me break down what this actually means for you in real terms. When the SEO pixel is installed correctly on your site, it starts tracking everything. It sees which pages people visit, how long they stay, what they click on, all of it. But here's where it gets cool. HighLevel's AI uses that data to find SEO problems on your site automatically. Maybe your page titles are too short. Maybe your images don't have the right tags. Maybe your site is loading too slow. The AI finds all this stuff and can actually fix it for you without you having to hire an SEO expert or spend hours learning how to do it yourself. Before this update, you couldn't even get the pixel installed, so none of this worked. Now it does. And I'll tell you something. I used to work full-time as a mechanic, and I had no idea how any of this SEO stuff worked. But thanks to tools like this that make it simple and automatic, I was able to learn enough to transition into making money full-time online. You don't need to be a tech genius to use this stuff anymore. Now let's talk about the other part of this update that people aren't really talking about. The October 2025 update also made the tracking way more powerful for running ads. If you're running Facebook ads or Google ads, this matters a lot. The pixel now tracks people across different domains, which means if someone clicks your ad, goes to your website, then later buys something on your funnel, you can see the whole journey before you'd lose that data. Now you don't. And here's the part that's really important. The new version supports server-side tracking through webhooks. What does that mean in normal people language? It means even if someone has an ad blocker or privacy settings turned on, you still get the tracking data. Apple's iOS update messed up a lot of people's ad tracking. This fixes that problem. You're not losing data anymore because someone's phone is blocking cookies. The tracking happens on the server instead, so it can't be blocked. Let me tell you where most people mess this up. They install the pixel and think, okay, cool, now my SEO is fixed. Wrong. The pixel is just the tracking part. You still need to actually look at what the AI is telling you and apply the fixes. I see people install this thing and then never check their dashboard to see what needs to be fixed. It's like buying a gym membership and never going to the gym. The tool can't help you if you don't use it. Here's the better way to do it. Install the pixel on your site. Wait a few days for it to collect data. Then go into your HighLevel dashboard and look at the SEO recommendations. The AI will show you exactly what's wrong and give you one-click fixes for most of it. Use those fixes. Then check back in a week or two and see if your Google rankings improved. That's how you actually get results from this. If you're finding this valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. The real Nick Ponte reads every comment, so drop one below and let me know if you're using HighLevel. And hey, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, grab my 4-part AI fast track training that I'm offering for free right now. It also includes an exclusive link to try out the AI software I use in my business for 30 days free. The link's in the description. Now let's zoom out for a second because this update timing is actually perfect. Google has been rolling out some pretty aggressive spam updates in 2025. They're cracking down on websites that have thin content or are clearly just trying to game the system. What Google wants now is real websites with helpful content that actual humans want to read, and they're using AI to detect when sites are just stuffed with keywords or low-quality content. So having a tool that can analyze your site and make sure it meets Google's current standards is huge. The HighLevel SEO Pixel helps with that because it's constantly checking your site against what Google is looking for right now. Not what worked 5 years ago, what works today. And because the tracking is working properly now on WordPress and other platforms, you can actually get those insights and fixes applied. Let me give you some examples of how this actually helps real businesses. Let's say you run a local plumbing company, you have a WordPress site that's been up for a few years, it gets some traffic, but you're not ranking on the first page of Google for plumber near me. You install the new HighLevel SEO Pixel. It scans your site and finds that your page titles are generic, your images are too big and slowing down your site, and you're missing some important schema markup that tells Google what kind of business you are. The AI gives you fixes for all of this. You apply them. 2 weeks later, you're ranking higher and getting more phone calls. That's real money in your pocket. Or let's say you're running an online store selling supplements. You're spending money on Facebook ads, but your conversion tracking is all messed up because of iOS privacy updates. You install the new Pixel with server-side tracking. Now you can actually see which ads are making you money and which ones are wasting your budget. You cut the bad ads and double down on the good ones. Your profit margin goes up. These aren't made up examples. This is the kind of stuff that happens when you have proper tracking and SEO tools working together. Now, if you're watching this and you run an agency or you're thinking about starting one, pay attention to this part. Most local businesses have no idea how to do any of this stuff. They know they need better SEO and they know their ads could work better, but they don't know how to fix it. That's where you come in. You can offer SEO as a service using HighLevel's tools, install the Pixel on their WordPress site, let the AI do the heavy lifting on finding issues, and then you present the fixes to the client as your expert recommendations. They see their Google rankings go up and they're happy to pay you every month. And because the Pixel actually works now on WordPress, you're not limited to only taking clients who want to rebuild their whole website. You can work with businesses that already have sites. That's a way bigger market. Before this update, a lot of agencies were avoiding offering SEO services through HighLevel because the WordPress issue was such a pain. Now that barrier is gone. Let me tell you some things not to do with this. First, don't install the Pixel and expect instant results. SEO takes time. Google needs to recrawl your site and see the changes before your rankings improve. Usually that's a few weeks. Second, don't ignore the AI recommendations. I see people look at the list of fixes and think, oh, that seems like a lot of work. I'll do it later. Later never comes. Just do the fixes. Most of them take like 5 minutes. Third, don't forget to verify the Pixel is actually working. HighLevel has tools built in to check if the Pixel is firing correctly. Use them. It's better to catch installation problems early than to wait a month and realize nothing was tracking. And fourth, don't rely only on automation. The AI is good, but it's not perfect. You still need to create good content and make sure your website is actually helpful to people. The Pixel and AI can optimize what you have, but they can't turn a terrible website into a great one. Here's where I think this is all heading. Google is getting smarter with AI. They're using machine learning to understand websites better than ever before. And they're rewarding sites that provide real value to users. The days of just stuffing keywords and building sketchy backlinks are over. What matters now is having a technically sound website that loads fast, has good content, and gives people what they're looking for. Tools like HighLevel's SEO Pixel help you stay on top of all the technical stuff automatically so you can focus on the content and strategy part. And as Google continues to update their algorithm, which happens all the time, having a tool that tracks your site and recommends fixes based on current best practices is going to become more and more valuable. You're not trying to guess what Google wants anymore. All right, so how do you actually get this working on your site? First, you need a HighLevel account, obviously. If you don't have one yet, there's a link in my description to try it free for 30 days. Once you're in HighLevel, go to the SEO section. You'll see an option to get your Pixel script. Copy that script, then go to your WordPress site and paste it in the header section. If you're using a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers, that makes it super easy. Just paste the script in and save. The Pixel should start tracking within a few minutes. You can verify it's working by going back to HighLevel and checking the pixel status. It should show as active. Once that's done, give it a few days to collect data on your site. Then go look at the SEO recommendations. The AI will have a list of things to fix. Start with the high priority items first. Those are the ones that will make the biggest difference. Apply the fixes and you're good to go. If you've been sleeping on HighLevel's SEO features because of the WordPress issue, now's the time to revisit it. The problem is fixed, the tool works, and your competition is probably already using it. Don't get left behind. All right, before you go, make sure you grab my free 4-part AI fast track training where I show you exactly how to land higher paying AI subscription clients. You also get access to a free 30-day trial of the best AI software I use to run my business. The link is in the description and in the comments. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know if you're already using HighLevel or if this video convinced you to try it out. The real Nick Ponte reads every single comment so he'll see it. If you got value from this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. I'm dropping new AI tools and strategies every week. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.